Thank you for watching Litemax online webinar. I'm today's host Frank Wu, and this is our agenda we'll go through today. First, I will give you a quick introduction about Litemax, and then we will jump into Litemax roadmap about for high brightness panel and the embedded system. For Litemax, Litemax is founded in 2000 years and went public in 2012. Litemax is headquartered in Taiwan and has their own factory and R&D team locally. Litemax also have an office in USA, Europe, and China. And here is the Litemax business scope. Litemax business scope geographically. And here is Litemax, the industries Litemax is involved in. For Litemax, the major revenue will come from transportation, industrial, gaming, and to POS. And here are some new AIOT business Litemax has done. The first one is a manless delivery robot. And Litemax also done case about manless electronical bus. And Litemax does not only work with one electronics bus maker only. Litemax has cooperated with different electronic cards makers and have done pilot runs in many countries like France, US, and Singapore. As Litemax has their own factory and R&D team, we launch new products every year and attend contacts annually. And the awards stand for Litemax outstanding technology and creativity. Here is Litemax product line. It can simply separate into two parts. The first part is high brightness panel, and the second part is the industrial grade embedded system. For high brightness panel, it can be break down into Durapixel, Spanpixel, and Navipixel. Spanpixel means the standard panel with a aspect ratio 4.3 or 16.9 or other else. And Spanpixel means the bar type, the stretch type panel. And Navipixel is the model designed for marine application. And for embedded system, Litemax offer motherboard, the product from motherboard, box PC to panel PC. And here is Litemax core competency. The first one is that Litemax has the longest MTBF lifetime. MTBF means mean time before failure, which stands for LED lifetime. And Litemax has the power saving techniques and support versatile LCD resizing ability. Also, because Litemax has their own factory and R&D team, so we can provide customization service for our customers as well. So for longest MTBF, usually the panel maker or the panel solution providers support MTBF around 50,000 to 70,000 only, but Litemax can support the LED lifetime to 100,000 hours, where is the advance that Litemax outperform other competitors, and why Litemax can support the longest LED lifetime is that Litemax has the self-development backlight module technology, so we can optimize the LED operating efficiency to extend the LED lifetime. And also from the chart you can see in the same brightness, Litemax support the lower power consumption and the longest MTBF against other brands in different brightness. And also Litemax has the know-how to do LED resizing based on customers' request. Here is the panel models Litemax has done right now. We have stretched, square, circle, and even curve type panel. And in the end, as Litemax has their own factory and RD team, we can provide the ODM, OEM service to provide customization solution based on customers' requirement. And the next part is the roadmap for Litemax high brightness display. We will work through the Durapixel, the large Durapixel, Spanpixel, and Navipixels. And in the end, we will do a summary about the domain know-how Litemax have. So for Durapixel, the standard panel with the aspect ratio of 4.3, 6.9. The market trend is that customer is looking for the larger size, the higher brightness, and for outdoor application. For Litemax, the edge Litemax has is that Litemax has self-development high brightness backlight technology. So Litemax can launch the high brightness models to meet with customers' brightness requests. So this year, Litemax will launch the new product support up to 5,000 nits and support the wide dimension range from 6.5 to 85 inches. And also, all model will support low power consumption and MTBF time equal to or above 100,000 hours. And here is the roadmap for our Durapixel model. The smallest one is start from 6.5 inches, and this year will support up to 85 inches. And the basic brightness is start from 1,000 nits, and this year we will support up to 5,000 nits. And also for small or medium size panel, this year Litemax will provide full HD resolution in the small size or medium size panel series. And for 24 inches, Litemax will upgrade the brightness to 1,600 nits. And here is one sample model Litemax developed. This is outdoor 75 inches model, and the Litemax has done the test from July to December in 2019. And here is the test data out of here's the 2 days test data out of the test period. As you can see, the model has survived at least half years at the outdoor situation. And for this model, it will support the brightness to 5000 nits and the 4K resolution. And also it comes with the HDR, which can support up to over 500 areas, and also comes with the high temp feature. The high temp feature is that to prevent the panel to getting blackened against the sunlight, so it will be perfectly suitable for outdoor application. And here is the successful case for the Durapixel model. It's a large size outdoor signage that outdoor signage test that Litemax has done. This is installed in Taiwan for Flora export in 2018. And the next part is for Spanpixel. The market trend for the bar type or the stretch type panel is that customer is looking for custom design to fit their dimension request, or the domain know-how that can fit with the market request or the application request. And for Litemax, because Litemax has our own resizing technology, we can guarantee the flexibility to our customer. And also, Litemax has a long industry experience, so we have the domain know-how for different vertical markets. For example, Litemax has over 8 years experience in transportation. Also, we can offer the model which can certificate with the EN 50155 standard. And here is the most popular models in Spanpixel series. The major model is from 32 inch to 38 inches. And this year, for Spanpixel series, Litemax will support the size to 100 inches. Litemax will invest the facility to support cutting the size into 100 inches. And also Litemax will develop low-cost 4K, 2K 80 board this year. And here is some successful case for Spanpixel model. We have installed our panels into different kinds of vehicles in transportation applications. So our panel can be seen in Europe, in Asia, and also in Switzerland or in India. And here is a case in digital signage application. And the next part is Navipixel. The Navipixel is the panel designed for marine application, which will comes with the marine certificate directly. And all of the model will support PCAP and optical bonding and Full HD resolution and high brightness to 1000 nits. And this year, Litemax will launch the new model comes with the one rotary and the push button only. So the user will be easily to operate all OSD function by just using one button only. So here is a demo video for our new one rotary and push button model. Okay, so to sum up, the domain know-how Litemax has in the panel in the panel product line is that Litemax has their own backlight technology, so we can guarantee to support the brightness to 5000 nits, and as we have our resizing know-how, we can give the customer to different can meet with the different size requirement from 62 inches to 55 inches. And also because we have our own factory and RD team, we can provide ODM design and guarantee the quality or stability to our customer as well. And the next part is for embedded system product lines. And for embedded system, the product characteristics we have is that all the models are a modular design, which means we have optional we have the different options that customer can choose based on the CPU performance request or the budget. And for most panel PC will support at least IP65 protection grading, and also will support at least 1600 nits brightness. And the panel PC will support fanless operation. The box PC or the panel PC mostly will support fanless operation. And for panel PC, it will support Picket Touch as well. And as we mentioned that Litemax can provide different kinds of CPU based on customer request or their budget. So here is a roadmap for Litemax panel PC. The customer can choose different type, different size of box PC or the panel by themselves. And also for the CPU performance, the customer can choose based on the CPU request or based on their budget. And this is the new AMD box PC that Litemax will launch this year. The selling point of the AMD box PC is that it can support 4 HDMI port or 4 DP port. Okay, so as the chart, as the picture shows, that the AMD box PC can support 4 independent video output, and also it can support 4 DP port as well. And then the next part is Litemax new slim bezel panel PC. It comes with a 2mm bezel only. And in this diagram, the right side is our old panel PC design, and the left side is the new the new design. So as you can see, we minimize at least 12mm on the bezel. And for the slim bezel panel PC, it will support up to 21.5 inches and with the Full HD resolution, and comes with 1060 nits 100 brightness, and also has Peak touch features and front IP65 grading. And so far, the 12.1 inches and the 15 inches are available already. And the next part is the Litemax IP68 panel PC, which won the Best Choice Award in 2018. And here's the roadmap for the IP68 panel PC. As you can see, the customer can choose between Kaby Lake structure or Skylake structure based on the CPU performance or their budget or customer's budget. And this year we will launch a new 55 panel PC with fully IP68 grading. And here is the designs of our full IP68 panel PC. It can do double side combination, and will comes with the heating control to support negative 12 degrees, and will comes with the automatic press control. And here is the front side of the full IP68 panel PC. You come with the Peak touch and 1600 nits brightness and fully IP68 design. And here's the rear side of the panel PC. You can see the panel PC can support M12 connectors and wide power input. And this is the real case for the full IP68 panel PC. It's installed at the outdoor tennis court, so to monitor the real-time informations at the court. And then the next one is another real case that we install in the high-speed rail platform in Taiwan. The spec for the platform panel PC is that it comes with the 2500 nits and light sensor, self-check wall, and the IP65 grading. And the selling point for this platform panel PC is that you can open the chassis to do the maintenance directly to help the users to maintain the panel PC more easily. And here's the exact product pictures in the field. So to sum up, here's the reason why the customer choose Litemax. The first one is that because Litemax has their own backlight module technology, we can meet with the market trend to for larger size or super high brightness. And another one is that Litemax can do versatile resizing, panel resizing. So it's give our customer the flexibility to meet with their dimension requests. Also, Litemax has the has the know-how for different vertical markets. So the customers are very willing to work with Litemax, and because we have our own factory and R&D team, we can provide the 100% customer-oriented ODM or OEM service to our customers, and also we can guarantee the stability and the credibility to our products. So this is the presentation today. Thank you so much for your watching.